Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel!
Sa lahat na pumunta and welcome. So, grateful kami nila Ma'am Cor, nila Coach M na part kayo sa ano to, Renaissance? Yung bagong simula ng The Swagger's Coffee House. So, thank you to each and everyone and welcome po sa lahat. So, enjoy natin yung araw na to. Thank you!
Alright, thank you so much!
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So, ayun na nga guys. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video nito, huwag mo naman sanang kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe. At pakipindutin mo na din ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking mga videos. Thank you! Bye!